Hello, this is Chris Rashnaw, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we'll be unboxing the Edifier Bluetooth W860NB, that is Bluetooth Active Noise Cancelling Stereo Headphones. Edifier is a brand that's definitely a huge force to be reckoned with in the market right now for their speakers, but they also do active noise cancelling headphones, so we like that. So we're going to be testing these headphones shortly. We like the case a lot. Nice thick padded case, branding on top, not too over the top. Sometimes the branding gets in the way of the actual product. So it comes with an airplane adapter right there. These are Bluetooth wireless, but they also give you the 3.5mm connector and the USB Type A to micro USB charging cable right there. And that all fits right in the top of the case, like that. And these headphones fold, which we like. Otherwise they're stuck out like this the whole time and they can get in the way. Now these are over-the-ear headphones. Some are on-ear headphones. These go all the way around the ear. This is super plush right here on the side. Very nice, both sides very plush. There's even padding on the headband up here. This part here has got a tighter woven design and feel along with the branding on top. Okay, and then for the controls, it's all touch controls right there. So next track, previous track, volume up, volume down, pause, they're all touch. So we like that a lot. There's not a whole set of buttons on the side, just a few buttons, power on and off, noise canceling on and off. And then the charging port is right here. We like that they include a cover to keep dust and water out right there. And then that's where your 3.5mm cable can go into. So if you don't want to use the Bluetooth portion, you can use the wired portion of the headphones. And it's got active noise canceling, so that's fun. And then to pair to your phone, it has NFC, and then that uses the Bluetooth connector to connect with your phone if you have an Android phone. And of course Apple just through Bluetooth. Can't wait to try it out. Probably also use it for calls. But one of the best things is active noise canceling, and you know those can be quite expensive with other brands, but Edifier has a good price point on these, and they're Bluetooth. So we're excited to test them out. These are from Edifier brand and W860NB. Thanks.